Hi guys, what's up? So today I'm gonna unbox my first camera, my first DSLR camera, and that's Nikon D5500, and I just got it from Amazon.in, and it costs and it's with the 18 to 144 or 140 millimeter VR kit, and that's included, and it costs 57,900. So today I'm gonna unbox it. So okay, let's start. Ooh. Hope that you find the sound. Ooh. Wow. The packing is flawless. The packing is very good, as always from Amazon. So what's that? Let's do that. Oh, platinum to 45 Mbps. 16 GB card is included, and the bag. Tiny bag for a tiny camera, for compact DSLR camera. And there is something I don't know. Whether I have very little idea of any DSLR camera. And this is the first camera I told you about. So anyway, let's start. Hmm. 2 years warranty, Nikon. How to reach Nikon owned service centers: Bengaluru, Gurgaon, Kolkata, Mumbai, Delhi. 2-year comprehensive warranty, all the scars. I'm learning photography. Available 50% discount, basic DSLR training and photo work. Oh. No, don't offer it. There is some shoulder strap, charger. What's that? Don't know. 30, the length. 18 to 160 millimeters. 140, sorry. 18 to 140 millimeters. Okay, that's pretty much it. I don't know. I don't know almost anything about photography, about DSLR, how to handle that, how to handle those things, how to operate the switches. And the best thing is that the screen is touch sensitive, and the screen is basically a touch screen, and it's okay. So anyway, if you like it, hit like and all those things. If you dislike it, I hope you will dislike it. And if you want, you can subscribe me. Anyway, YouTube is not gonna pay me. It's not paying. It has decided that they will not pay me for my videos. I don't know what happened. So anyway, Goodbye. See you next time.